In other words, when you use the cranking battery, you practically discharge the battery at the minimum point. But when the engine starts, the alternator of the engine charges the battery immediately. Because those batteries, the cranking batteries, have the ability to be discharged quickly and recharged quickly. I recommend never discharge a cranking battery completely. 100% sure you damage the battery. More than 2 times the battery is out. Be careful, the marine batteries are expensive batteries, depending on the quality and the capacity in amps per hour. Right now we are going to talk about that. What happens if you use cranking batteries for the house bank in a sailboat? Probably the bank is discharged quickly. That's good for you in a sailboat. The sailboat depends basically of the solar panels. That's not good. For that reason, the house bank should be configured with deep cycle batteries. The cranking batteries, like your name says, are designed to configure starting groups for crank engines or generators. Yeah. Okay, internally in the batteries, you have the plates, and the plates are connected in series. Each cell have one positive plate and one negative plate. The next cell have other positive and other negative. What happens when the cell is full charge? When the cell is full charge, the electrolyte is practically pure acid and a little amount of water. What happens with the acid during the charge and discharge? When the battery is completely discharged, maximum level of water and a little amount of acid, the acid is impregnated on the plates. Once again, when you connect the battery charger and the battery is charged again, the acid goes into the water and is mixed with the water. When the battery is discharged, the acid is impregnated on the plates of the battery. That's clear? Remember, my friends, I recommend that you be familiarized with the odors inside of the engine room. This is critical, this is important. If you are the engineer in a boat, if you are the captain, if you are the owner, you need to be familiarized with your boat, with the engine room. And you need to be familiarized with the odors. The odor of the gasoline, the odor of the diesel, the odor of the electrolyte of batteries, the odor of the coolant, the odor of the hydraulic oil, motor oil, transmission oil. All of those fluids have a different odor and you need to be familiarized. What about 12.4? 12.4, the battery is charged only 80%. What happened with the 12 volts? 12 volts, the battery is charged 50%. It's in the limit. For that reason, when the customers call to me and say, "Oh, I have a problem in my boat. The starboard engine start easily and the port engine only click and not start." "Oh, Mr. Lopez, but the batteries are perfect." "Oh yeah, they are perfect. Why?" "Yeah, the voltage is 12 volts." "Oh yeah, and you hear only click. The problem are the batteries. The batteries are in the limit, 50%. No, it's 12. 12 is 50%. The majority of the batteries only provide the RC reserve capacity and CCA. But you can convert with a simple formula the RC reserve capacity into amps per hour. In other words, 70 amps per hour divided by 3.5 amps is 20 hours. What is the meaning of that? If I have a battery with the capacity in amps per hour of 70, if I connect one blower and the blower suction 3.5 amps, this is the capacity of the blower, how many hours can I operate the blower on that battery? The capacity is 70 amps per hour. I suction 3.5. 70 divided by 3.5 is 20. I can use the battery 20 hours. Less than 10.5 volts. Below 10.5 volts, the battery is done. Okay, We are going to repeat the definition according with that. CCA is the number of amps that a battery can support during 30 seconds at 0 degrees Fahrenheit before the voltage decrease below 10.5 volts.